Hello and welcome to this shorter than usual AccessAdvisr video. This is about Vicarage Road. I would have included some of the journey to Watford, but I left my chest strap for the camera at home. As you can see from the opening picture, Watford have got some great facilities for away fans behind the goal. There's 3 tiers to a platform, to different platforms. You can get a lift to each of the second and third tier. The first one is level as you enter the ground. The concourse I didn't use, but it looks quite small, but it's still doable, and there's an accessible toilet on the first tier level. As you can see, this is the kind of view that I would have dreamed of for years. It's really good. You're more than halfway up above the pitch, but if you do fancy the pitch side level, there's even a space down for away fans down by the ground. The journey was courtesy of Dorset Transport Services, and they got us there in good time and got us home okay. Of course, a 4-0 result always helps. I didn't use the toilets, but they're sort of fairly standard and functional. The only thing I thought about when coming out of the ground is that the drop curb isn't by the access for disabled fans, so you have to go quite a long way along the pavement just to come back to where the road is and where the coaches are waiting for away fans. You'll see our rating at the end of this video, but that's all for now. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until the next one, bye for now.